Hello guys, welcome back to Go with Tech. This is a new video on we're going to be teaching you on how you can add a video clip into your Kobotoolbox questions. We're going to start and let's go slowly so that you can understand each and every step that you are going to be taking. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Go with Tech. Follow us to any media platform that we are in, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and then our TikTok account. Yeah, so let's go and see how best we can do the things. First of all, we're going to start by creating a form, and our form is going to be via Kobo. So starting a new form, we're going to come to create new, and then from scratch, we say maybe learning how to add, learn how to add video in the Kobotoolbox. I have a question. Do you think it's going to be possible for you to add a video on your Kobotoolbox? Be thinking on the answer as we're proceeding. Just come and say yes, and then country, me, I'm Uganda, so I have to take Uganda. So once I come to Uganda, I just create project. Once this is done, you'll see our question, our form is empty, so we have to start now adding in some questions. I just want to set 2 questions just for sample, and then you will learn from those ones. So first of all, I come to create a form. As usual, I'll put the introduction. Then maybe I make it a note. Then we say welcome to Go Use Tech Learning Center. I have to add on my font size so that you guys can see everything that is taking place. Then secondly, what we're going to do, we are going to add another question and say, who is in this video? Who is in this video? Here we're going to make it select one. Select one. Sorry. Let's make it a select one. And we are going to say maybe Patricia. Roman 2 is going to be Jonathan. Roman 3 is going to be Benina. And Roman 4 is going to be Precious. I like using my family names, my name, my wife, and my children, so that's, yeah, it's easy for me. So my other question is going to be select. I mean, in these videos, below, select a lion. Yeah, so this one is also going to be a select one. So here we're going to say video A, video B, and then video C. So these are our questions. After that, we are going to save. We save the question. After saving, what we're going to do, we are going to, okay, it's successfully saved. We're going to come here, and then we come to our draft, and then our question, our tool is here. You just click on it, and after clicking on it, as we did the one of photos, what you're going to do, just come to the three dots here in your right upper corner. Click there and then download the form as XML. So once it downloads, you give it some little time to download. We are downloading XLS. It's taking long to download. Yeah. Yeah, it's taking long to download. I don't know if the internet is coming slow. Okay, it has downloaded. Yes. Yeah, so when the tool has downloaded, what we are going to do, I want to show you how the tool is looking like. Yeah, we're just going to enable. We're just clicking on enable sharing. And then after that, I'm just going to show you how the questions are. Still the way the other ones were. We have the survey, we have the choices, and then the settings. So when it comes to survey, we are going to required, first of all, our first question is introduction. And on the introduction part, I think we are going to put the image. And then on the question 2 within this video, we are going to put the video. So here we're going to say media image. And then here we shall say media video. Hope you can see this very well. Yeah. So on the image, basically going to put the image here on my introduction part. And as I told you last time, the only thing you're going to do, we're going to come back to our Kobotoolbox. We're going to come back to our Kobotoolbox. And then what we're going to do, just come back to settings, as you see here. Then you come to media. So once you come to media, just click there. And then choose a file where your files are. My files are in Line Kobo, so I'm going to use a logo. And then the videos, I have over 4 videos. I have over 4 videos, yes. So you will load them. Once you load them, of course, they will take some little time for them to load. And once they are done, you'll just go back to your Excel and then start copying the file names the way I told you. Yeah, let us give them some little time so that they can load and finish. Yeah, so they are done loading. So first of all, our logo, we just come and click on it and then copy and paste. We'll copy and paste to our Excel form. So this will be our logo. And you can see I've put it under media image. Hope you can see this. Then our next question is, who is in this video? When it comes to choices, we have Patricia, we have Jonathan, and we have Penina. Let me also try to increase on the size. Okay, you remember the other side, we have both, in the survey part, we have both media. So we also have to bring it here, media. And then we also have the part of image, I mean of the video, media video. We also bring it and paste it and paste it here. Yeah, so we're going to ask like who is in this video. Once we come to our Kobo, we have in Jonah. So just come and mark Jonah the way it is, and then take it to Excel form. You come to Jonah and then put your video there. Then our next question is asking, in these videos below, select a lion. You understand? So still we're going to come to choice. And then after reaching to the choice, come back to your Excel. We have video 1, video 2, video 3. So let us come and select this. Maybe we are going to put it on video 1. We can put it on video A. Then we have this. We can put it on video 2. We can put it on video B. Then we have video C. Just come and then put the funny clips. Okay. Yeah, so I think I have the same videos. It's funny, very funny. Yeah, I think there is a video I didn't put. So what we're going to do, let us just bring it here. Just bring it there, then it loads. We give it some little time to load. So here, that means that we are going to remove this cocked one. We remove it. So we're going to bring the other new video we have just put. Which one is it? Very funny, very funny. The slab. This is very funny here. Just a moment, please. Very funny, yes. That's the slab. Which other one did I not download? Very funny cat. Very funny cat and dogs. Shoot lions. Do I have shoot lions? Okay, I think this is the video we're going to put. Sorry about that. Yeah. So we are putting cute videos. I mean, cute lions clubs, meet that. As it is down, as it is uploading, we can just, okay, it's here now. So we're also going to copy this and then put it in Excel from Kobo Direct. We put it in Excel. Let it be video B. And so after this, just come and save your work. Come and save your work. And then we are going to save it as, let us say maybe learning video. So we put it in our learning Kobo. After that, it's done. We're going back now to our Excel. Once we come to Kobo Collect, we just click on form. And once we are on form, as I told you guys, you just come to this arrow. Hope you can see this. If you can remember everything I taught you on how to insert an image on your Kobotoolbox, you come to this arrow whereby there is a replace form. You click there, and then you'll be able to see upload an Excel form, import an Excel form where you are use templates. So let us come to upload, and then you just click in the middle there, and then we bring our Excel sheet, which is learn video, and then you click open, and it will be able to load. So once this tool is done loading, what you're going to do, you have to deploy the form. So you just click on deploy, and once you're deploying, they'll show you the message that this form has been deployed successfully. So here you're ready now to collect the data. in the field. So you can either copy the form, copy the link the way I told you, or else you can just come and open in case you want to do the data collection using an online version, like on a tablet, a computer, without installing the Kobo collection tool on your phone. So come and open, and once you open, you'll be able to see the questions. Like here we have who is in this video. So we have Jonathan, we have Patricia, we have Penina, we have Precious. So you can play the video and then maybe see who exactly is in that video. Or question number 2, in these videos below, select a lion. So we have video A, video B, video 3, video C. You can just play around with the videos and see exactly who is in, which video has a lion. And if it is maybe video B, you'll just come and select video B. If it is video C, you come and select video C. If it is A, select A, isn't it? So you'll be able to see our logo as an introduction, because remember the other side, we put a logo as an image, and then these videos were uploaded as videos. Then once you're sure that the tool is like you've selected the right things, then you can submit your form. So this is how we can add videos and images in the previous videos in our Kobotoolbox. Guys, kindly share Go Use Tech to your friends, because all the time we try to communicate with you guys, we bring you good things. So the way you can pay us back, you have to subscribe and share our videos to your friends so that they can also learn from us. Thank you so much. See you in our next video next time. Bye for now.